testing the rings that I put around my front arms. So far, I've bashed about a half a tank and nothing's moved. See, I put those rings right around my CVD, and it takes care of the pin coming out. So now I don't lose my four-wheel drive. Nice. They were hard getting on, but hard getting on means hard coming off. I also changed out my intake, my breather. This is a breather for a chainsaw. The breather for the chainsaw seems to work much better. I'm not starving for gas once I get towards the end of the tank. You can see I'm starting to get low, and it's doing fine. Plenty of power. It's not starving for gas. I was having a problem even with the other breather where, you know, it was metal. I don't know, maybe it warms up, it gets a little harder to move or something. But I was having to actually open the tank to start it again if it shut off on me, because it was hydro locking, even though I had the breather on it. And I did try a couple of other breathers as well. It wasn't just that breather, because literally I had like 7 of them. So I went through them and it was all kind of the same thing. So I decided to go over to the chainsaw breather, and I'm getting a much better response. Good stuff. Yeah, much better response. Let it roll back and hit it real quick. Yeah, I love the torque. I'm interested to see what's going to happen when I put my high-speed gears in here, though. I mean, it's getting it right now with the high torque gears, so literally, it's almost getting hard to keep it flat when I'm getting on it. And it looks like I'm running low on power. So I'm probably going to shut it down. This was just a test of the rings that I put on to make sure that they stay, and they seem to be holding up nicely. I did screws in the back so the screws aren't coming loose, so I'm gonna ride with those, but I've got another set for the back as well that I put the ring on. But everything seems to be working good. Yeah, this thing is fast now. Woo. Yeah, I do think that chainsaw breather is much better. So guys, if you're having trouble with hydro locking and you're still using a breather, do that chainsaw breather. It seems to make a big difference. Woo! I almost blew my tire up. Okay, easy. I saw that tire starting to waffle. I'm like, let's not do that. It's a lot of power in it now. This was nothing how it was when I first got it, guys. It's got power in it now. It wobbles the wheels. Yeah. I would say it's built. gas and everything. Alright, I'm running low on power. So I'm going to go ahead and do the trusty remote, shut it off. Yeah, kill switch. But I wanted you guys to see on power it down. There we go. The ring right in there, and it hasn't moved at all. And there's my other ring. So I did 2 rings in the front. The back, you know, I did the screw thing, and it's been holding up, guys. So I'm just running with screws for now, but I do have 2 more to replace, like I said, if it should go. And as of right now, I'm thinking that this chainsaw breather, it's the way to go, guys. It's responding really well. Now, I wonder if it holds pressure though. Let's see. If I open my tank, it should hiss because it should be pressurized. Yep, you hear that blowing out? It was blowing, which means it's working. Good stuff. All right, guys, enjoy your RC.